to spin it too far because I think it gets stuck. It was a KABA Ace with a lot of pins. I've made a mess of my desk. Please forgive me. Probably get some kind of pinning tray. I have not had this thing apart, so this will be an experiment. I still think it might be easiest with this guy. Sorry, a little out of frame there. Looks like it hurt. Ah, there we go. Probably just bent it a little bit. Okay, my understanding is that this is going to be interesting. Little follower fin there. Follower will fit, but oh, it's stuck immediately because I think what's going to happen is oops. Okay, that's the detent. All those pins are trapped in there. They are trapped in that core. So I've got these key pins. At least I can figure out how many pins this thing has. I'm pretty sure it's about 15 or so. Alright. Oops. Alright, we're going to start with the left side. Safe zone here and place them in the tray. And these are just the key pins. I don't really feel like disassembling this whole thing to show you the because they're just standard pins. We'll take a little better look at them later. Alright. This is one of those. I wonder if I'm gonna get it back together. I don't think I've had a lot of failures in getting all that back together and it's in working order, but I always worry about it. This one's definitely going to be interesting to try to reassemble. Especially when that happens. Okay. Probably 12 first. Okay. So right side, left side from the direction I was picking. There was nothing in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. I was correct. There are 15 pins in this thing. And if we look down here, I don't know how well we can count them. I wonder if we take out the little lighted follower. I wonder if that will help illuminate. That was too big. I just dropped a pick. Okay. Standard, they're just standard pins. They may be tapered. They act tapered because KABA's like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know you can't see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sneaky, way back there. And 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. So yeah, all those guys are in there. If it'll focus and you can see. And sort of weird looking key pins on some of these. I don't know what that weird torpedo kind of shape is. It might be partly traps. If I think, at least I had some problems with this. I wonder if it doesn't trap and kind of overset a little bit. So I think I had to reset some pins a few times on that pick, and I've definitely had issues with that. Even if some people say it's hard to overset these, I don't think so. Very heavy tension, very methodical picking on one of these, just sort of going through one at a time and seeing what picks, but with that really heavy tension, because otherwise this is a really nice high precision piece of machinery, and it loves to drop things. And for me, some things maybe kind of like to overset a little bit, because I'll feel something. There's sometimes not a lot of wiggle room when you're trying to jiggle a pin to see if it needs to be set. And so sometimes it can seem like it does need to be set, and you push it past where it needs to be. It's a big mess. Anyway, that is a 15-pin KABA Ace, and there it is.